475.
Climb up 4,000 feet.
Okay.
SBS targets on.
SBS on.
I'm going for the main hangars.
I'll go for the runway.
Oh, I can't turn that bloody SBS thing on.
Doesn't
Bomb
matter. Bomb's gone, put it out. Rolling to the left. To the right, just have a look, keep going straight. You know, you're okay, you're clear. Tango Papa is behind, but it's quite a way off. Right, turning back to the left again. Cryptics is quite a way off. Head back down low.
Yeah.
Keep a weave pattern on while we've got cryptics behind us. These wind turbines here. Right, turning right to 180. Pylons here low.
Okay.
I just want to have a look round behind, make sure we haven't got anyone right on the tail, but they were far enough off before.
Tango par is 5.7. He's chasing.
Yeah, I'll see both of you over to my right. Can you see him? Is he behind me?
No, I'm behind you now.
I'm just going to bank left, stay low, and then back right again onto 2-1 heading. Just use a bit of natural cover there.
Okay.
Just a bit more cover. Watch the pylons here.
Yep, got him.
Left or right?
The left's it. Follow left round here. Shortly up
I'm
here.
essentially going to... I'm pretty much going to pop out in front of you guys.
Okay. Right, just beyond this high ground, so you can take the left again. Probably head 180.
180.
Right, I'm going to go down low over the log now.
When you guys are ready, I'll call Endex, get the guys to disengage and we can head home.
Okay, yep. We're ready. I don't think they're going to catch us now from here.
No.
I think we can go up above the cloud for this one anyway. Now he's called sort of Index on that. We're going to climb up.
Okay.
I've lost you.
Corners a bit here, guys. I'm going to head
Okay.
about 135.
Okay.
I'm going to try and hold around about 10,000, although it's not easy with this autopilot.
Anyone got any idea where the canopy device is? I'm about 45 minutes-ish from East Kirkby in Coningsby area.
That looks good there, Sid, as you're coming over the top of it. That's a nice video of that. say, seeing as the weather's a little bit better down here, if you want to go back down low level then
Yeah.
for the rest of it.
Yeah, can do.
Yeah, absolutely.
Right, I'm just going to turn right slightly and we'll go down the runway. Make low level hit over the runway. Gleaming.
Five miles to waypoint.
Be rude not to do a pass, really.
Yeah.
But I'm presuming you're both doing well for fuel because I've got 2-2.
2-1.
1-5.
Turn right, heading 160.
Yeah.
350 feet. $300 feet. $150 feet. 40 feet. Rotate.
Oh, he said nice landing, good job.
250
First time I've
feet.
heard that one.
Yeah.
100 feet.
Some
40
weird
feet.
terrain there, a bit of a step.
30 feet.
You're in the air for me, Rob.
Why?
Mm.
You've not got the Honington base.
Yeah, just go straight on where you are. I'll go in between. So stop there and I'll go in between the both of you.